Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Delhi. Before starting, I request you all please subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. So, IIT Delhi has given notification for admission in PhD and MS research program for Indian applicant. Regarding dates, you can see the dates are submission of online application commences. It commences on 11th October 2021. Last date will be 31st 2021. Range of date for test and interview. It will be conducted from 1st of December to 12th of December 2021. And date of orientation and registration for new students 31st December to January 2nd. 2022, and commencement of classes from January 3rd 2022. Regarding procedure, admission procedure and requirement, these all things are not necessary. Minimum qualification for admission to full-time PhD program. You can see it is later also. Here it is written. Minimum qualification for admission to full-time PhD program. First, if you have ME, MTech, MD or equivalent, then you can apply with 60% marks, or if you have 6 point CGPA. Qualification through national level examination requirement is not required. If you have MSc, MBA, MA, MBBS or equivalent, then 60% marks will be required in that masters or 6 point CGPA, and you must have qualified GATE, CSIR, AG, CNET or ICAR, ICM, RDS to Inspire Fellowship. Or if you want to apply after BE Tech directly to PhD program, so you must have 70% marks or 7 CGPA on a 10-point scale, and must have qualified GATE, CSIR, AG, CNET, ICAR or DS to Inspire Fellowship. For SC/ST and PWD candidate, the minimum performance is relaxed from 60% to 55%, and for SC/ST PWD category candidate, the minimum performance in qualifying degree serial number 3 in table 1, serial number 3 in table 1 means this one, is relaxed from 70% to 65%, means in both 0.5% relaxation. Qualifying degree performance is computed by aggregate performance over all semester or year of qualifying degree as per the credit or weightage system approved in the institution or board the degree has been completed. Requirement of qualification in GATE or is waived for the following category of applicant. If you have currently registered a student in CFTI pursuing BE Tech or integrated MTech or integrated MSc program or any other programs of admission 4 years duration, admission to which is on the basis of JEE, who have completed 6 semester or more and have CGPA of 8 or above. Such a student must obtain a CGPA of 8 or above at the time of graduation and before they formally register for PhD program. 80% aggregate marks if marks is the primary mode of evaluation. Means if you are graduating or means if you are pursuing your PE Tech or integrated MEM Tech or MSc from IIT or triple IT, NIT, and if you have CGPA 8 up to 6 semester, then you can apply formally for PhD program. Graduates of CFTI with a final graduation of CGPA of more than 8, 80% marks is a primary mode of evaluation. It is written. MA or MSc, it is for BE Tech, and if you are a graduate of means any other apart from BE Tech, and if you have CGPA 8, then also you can apply for that and apply there. MA or MSc graduates from IIT with CGPA 8 or above. For purpose of shortlisting, the primary mode of evaluation, CGPA or CPI or aggregate percentage as appropriate, followed by institution where candidate has obtained his or her qualifying degree, will be used by IIT Delhi for determining whether the candidate meets the final shortlisting requirement or not. For assistantship purpose, candidate with MBA will be considered equivalent to MTech or for admission to PhD program in Center for Biomedical Engineering. For candidate with MA degree in English, 5% relaxation in marks or 0 in CGPA may be permitted for admission to PhD program in humanity and social sciences. And minimum candidate holding MBA degree are also eligible for a PhD program in Department of Management Studies. Minimum qualification for part-time and sponsored full-time means I think yeah, this percentage criteria maybe it will be same, but it is written the minimum full-time experience required after obtaining the qualifying degree as on the date of registration is given in table 2. Means if you have ME, MTech or MS research or MD or equivalent, and if you are applying for part-time PhD, then there is no work experience required. And if you have qualification B, BTech or MSc, MA, MBA, MBBS equivalent from CFTI or central universities, and if you have 1 year experience, then you can apply for part-time. If you have B, BTech, MSc, MA, MBA, MBBS equivalent and working in IIT Delhi project or regular through proper channel, must have 1 year work experience there. If you have B, BTech, MSc, MA, MBA, MBBS equivalent from institution other than CFTI central universities, then you must have 2 years for applying part-time PhD. For MTech, MS research program, if you have B, BTech or MSc or equivalent from CFTI, you must have 6 month experience. If you have B, BTech or MSc or equivalent and working in IIT Delhi, then you must have 6 year experience. And ME, MTech or MS research, if you have B, BTech or MSc or equivalent from institution other than CFTI, you must have 1 year experience. Minimum qualification for the candidate is same as full-time candidate, means percentage criteria will be same for part-time also. For part-time candidates from outside NCR, there is a minimum residency requirement of 6 months. 6 months means you have to stay there 6 months in IIT Delhi. DRC, CRC, SRC may specify a higher residency requirement based on the courses. This course is recommended as well as background. Sponsored full-time candidate seeking admission to PhD program on the basis of a study leave must submit a sponsorship certificate on a proper letterhead from appropriate authority in the organization, clearly stating the following: for the period of fees or in the program, the candidate would be treated as on duty with usual salary and allowances. He will be fully relieved and granted a study leave for a minimum period of 3 years. Means your organization must give a leave of 3 years, 2 years for MTech and equivalent degree holder. Means if you have ME, MTech, then you must given for 2 years of leave. Part-time candidates are required to submit a NOC on a proper letterhead from the appropriate authority in organization, clearly stating the following. These all things you have to read. It's not possible to read everything in video, and this because it will take too much time. This is the code of MS research program of February specialization. Then minimum for MS it's not required. I am only for PhD. Then what are the branches available here? This is institute dues payable by entry PhD MS research. This is the fees. You must take a screenshot. MS dues payable by 2021 entry students. They will be required to pay fee. Means if you are currently after selection, you will be allowed for coursework online, so there is no requirement of depositing MS dues. Then financial assistantship, it is given. First 2 year 31,000 and next 3 year 35,000. Then general guideline, first semester 62.5, the minimum prescribed 60% in aggregate. It's too long, so it's not required. You have to apply online by this link, application procedure. I will upload the link in description box. Contact me. This is the contact number of every department. You can ask anything if you have any doubt. This is the research program PhD. You can apply in Department of Applied Mechanics. They have different research areas. You can read that, because they will ask you your interested areas. You can also apply in biochemical engineering or biotech, civil engineering. then chemical engineering, computer science and engineering, chemistry, department of design, electrical engineering you can apply, then energy science and engineering, humanity and social science, mathematics, mechanical engineering, then material science and engineering, physics. Apart from that, which all are the comes under physics. Department of Management Studies, Textile and Power Engineering, Center for Applied Research in Electronics, atmospheric science you can apply, automotive research and tribology, then biomedical engineering, rural development and technology, sensor instrumentation and this cyber physical system engineering, National Resource Center for Value Education in Engineering, Transportation Research and Injury Prevention Center, Optics and Photonics Center. So these are all things in PhD programs you can apply. Additional important information that's not required. So that's all about the advertisement. I have told you everything, every important information to you. You must share with your friends who want to apply in PhD program in IIT or NIT, and you subscribe the channel if you have first time visiting my channel and watching the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.